Ryanair 86 Uniform Kilo ready for taxi.
Ryanair 86 Uniform Kilo taxi holding point Alpha 2 runway 31 left via exit point Papa 1 and Alpha.
Taxi holding point runway 31 left Alpha 2 via Papa 1 and Alpha Ryanair 86 Uniform Kilo.
Budapest ground, good evening, Lufthansa 2 Romeo X-ray.
Lufthansa 2 Romeo X-ray, Budapest ground, hello, taxi gate 44 via Alpha and Lima.
Stand 44 via Alpha Lima, Lufthansa 2 Romeo X-ray.
Wildcat 3465, give way to the Ryanair 737-800 going from Papa.
Giving way to the Ryanair from Papa 1 3465.
With a 731 approaching Alpha 2, we are almost ready.
With a 7313 Roger, contact number 118.715, bye bye.
Turkish 5 Victor Zulu request tax.
Turkish 5 Victor Zulu correction taxi holding point Alpha 2 runway 31 left via exit point Uniform and Alpha.
Holding point Alpha 2 via Uniform Alpha Turkish 5 Victor Zulu.
Last station?
And station calling for pushback.
Hello, Speedbird 8697, request station staff.
Wizard 217 Zulu, contact Budapest.
Speedbird 869er, snap up and pushback. And pull approved facing exit point Uniform.
Start up push and pull facing Uniform.
Wizard 7313, runway 31 left, please for takeoff.
Budapest ground, this Malta 6 Romeo, good evening, stand Romeo 273, requesting push and start.
With Malta 6 Romeo, Budapest ground, hello, start up and pushback approved facing exit point Papa 1.
Good evening, Ryanair 86.
Push and start approved, facing exit point Papa 1, with Malta 6 Romeo.
Behind departing Wizard Airbus A321, line up runway 31 left and wait behind.
Guys, traffic taxi off, line up and wait, runway 31 left behind.
Express India 123, stop before Alpha, contact ground on frequency 121.905. Welcome to Budapest, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, ground 121.905, Express India 123.
Ryanair 86 Uniform Kilo, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff, wind 33. 0 degrees, 5 knots.
Ground Express India 123, request taxi to the gate 38.
Express India 123, Roger. The taxi to gate 38 via Alpha and Hotel.
Taxi to gate 38 via Hotel Express India 123.
Turkish 5
With 0542 final runway ILS31 right.
Contact 118.715 Turkish 5 because Merry Christmas.
542 Budapest Tower. Good evening. Continue approach runway 31 right, wind 310 degrees, 6 knots.
Alpha Turkish 5 Victor Zulu, continue on taxiway Alpha.
Turkish 5 Victor Zulu, line up runway 31 left and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 31 left, Turkish 5 Victor Zulu.
Ryanair 86 uniform kilo, airborne passing 2200.
Wizz Air 0542 runway 31 right, clear to land, wind 300 degrees 2 knots.
Wizz Air 0542 clear to land, runway 31 right.
Ryanair 86 uniform kilo, leaving my airspace, contact Budapest approach on 122.980, goodbye, Merry Christmas.
Ryanair 86 uniform kilo with
Express India 123, taxi to the wrong way. Now taxi via Lima Romeo to gate 39er because 38 is occupied.
Turkish 5 Victor Zulu, runway 31
Inform via Romeo Hotel, sir.
340 degrees 4 knots.
Lima Romeo and Hotel.
122.980, goodbye.
Copy. Straight Romeo Hotel for gate 39er.
For takeoff runway 31 left, when airborne, contact approach 119er, decimal 980, Turkish 5 Victor Zulu, thank you, Merry Christmas.
Gizmata 1 uniform kilo, Budapest ground, hello, taxi to Stead Romeo 271 via Alpha and Lima.
122.980, Turkish 5 Victor Zulu. Vismata 6 Romeo Romeo, requesting taxi.
Vismata 6 Romeo Romeo, taxi holding point Alpha 2 runway 31 left via exit point Papa 1 and Alpha.
Holding point 31 left via exit Papa 1 and Alpha, that's Malta 6 Romeo Romeo.
Good afternoon, sir.
Vismata 1 uniform kilo, gateway to the company AC21 passing left to right on Papa.
grade until 60 and meet Budapest 12.
Roger, give away to the company from left to right on Papa and then continue us. Thank you.
With 0542 vacating runway, taxiway Alpha.
Wizz Air 0542, roger, expedite vacating.
With 0542, expedite vacating.
Bird base 12, expect late landing clearance.
Copy.
Speedbird 869, request taxi please.
Speedbird 869 taxi holding point Alpha 2 runway 31 left via exit point uniform and Alpha.
Holding point Alpha 231 left via uniform and Alpha Speedbird 869.
Birdway is 12, runway 31 right, clear to land, wind 310 degrees 5 knots.
Clear to land 31 right, Budapest 12.
Wizz Air 0542, welcome to Budapest, stop before Alpha, contact ground 121.905, goodbye.
Wizz Air 0542, contact ground on 121.905, thank you for the experience, goodbye.
Ground Express India 123 gate 39er is occupied. Can we take gate Romeo 226 on our right via Hotel 1?
Affirm, you can get Romeo 226.
Copy to Romeo 226 Express India 123.
Wizz Air 0542, radio check. Wizz Air 0542, readability 5x5. Speedbird 0542, request ATC 21 passing right to left on Alpha.
Hold uniform and give way to the weather airline to
Budapest Tower, good evening, Eurowings 7 Foxtrot on the ILS 31 right.
Eurowings 7 Foxtrot, Budapest Tower, good afternoon sir, continue approach runway 31 right, proceeding traffic over the threshold.
7 Foxtrot.
Air Serbia 141 Budapest ground, hello, clear destination airport, Gazda 2 Lima SID runway 31 left, climb initially 7,000 feet, scope 4221. Wizz Air 0542, welcome to Budapest, taxi to stand Roma 272 via Lima.
121.905, goodbye.
121.905, hold short of Alpha.
With the 0542, taxi via 272 via Lima.
Eurowings 7 Foxtrot, runway 31 right, clear to land, wind 320.
Wizz Mata 6 Romeo, contact number 18715, bye-bye.
Budapest Tower 118.715, Wizz Air 6 Romeo, thank you very much and have a nice Christmas.
Speedbird 869, contact number 118.715, bye-bye.
18715, transfer 869, sziasztok. Budapest Tower, Wizz Air 6 Romeo, good evening, holding short, 31 left, altitude, ready for departure.
Lima, SID.
6 Romeo, Budapest Tower, good afternoon, line up runway 31 left and clear for takeoff, wind 340 degrees, 5 knots. Once airborne, contact...
Ground hello, Budapest 12, Victor.
980, goodbye.
Clear for takeoff, runway 31 left and once airborne, contacting departure 122.980.
Last station calling, call sign only.
Bird base 12.
Budapest Tower, Budapest System, KLM 906 Charlie, LS 3 right.
KLM 906 Charlie, Budapest Tower, good afternoon, sir. Continue approach runway 31 right.
Service 12, I don't see you neither in the startup list nor your tag. Where are you?
Speedbird.
We just vacated runway 31 right.
With Airbus A321, line up runway 31 left and wait behind.
Currently departing with an A321 from Alpha 231 left, line up and wait behind, Speedbird 869.
Okay, Berwick 12, okay, I see you now. Taxi to stand Roma 273 via Alpha and Lima.
Alpha and Lima to Romeo 273, Budapest 12.
With the 0542, please tell me the assigned gate again.
Wizz Air 0542 now, it's Roma 274.
With the 0542, Romeo 274.
Speedbird 869 November, requesting push and start, stand 36, information Lima on board.
Tower, good evening.
Speedbird 869 November, startup pushback approved, facing exit point uniform and please set scope 4232.
Last station, again, intention please.
Roger, squawk 4232, clear push and start, tail exit, tail, so that we face uniform, do apologize.
323, good evening.
After face uniform, so face north.
Ground on frequency 121.
Face north, Speedbird 869 November.
121 decimal.
Ground, Budapest 12.
Sorry.
KLM 906 Charlie, runway 31 right, 330 degrees.
Yeah, pass a message.
Yeah, can we go to general aviation parking?
First, then please set scope mode Charlie because I don't see your aircraft time.
980, goodbye.
Copy.
Runner 323, good evening. Could I ask you a question?
Runner 323, affirm, pass a message.
Budapest, contact ground on frequency 121.905. Merry Christmas.
11905. Runner 323, could I restart the game and if you could save my spot?
well, I will try, but I cannot guarantee.
Hello, Turkish 3.
It'll take 1 minute, okay.
Budapest.
Okay, try, thank you.
225 heavy.
Speedbird 225, please say again.
Speedbird 225 heavy, yeah, really fine. Uploading information and request flight Bravo to nearby on flight level 410.
Speedbird 869er, runway 31 left, please for
Speedbird 225, clear destination airport, lead to Lima, SID runway 31 left, climbing speed 7,000 feet, scope 4256.
Good flight, goodbye.
Shimon F171229,
Speedbird 225 heavy, clear.
Tahra Turkish 3, uniform Yankee.
Departure runway
Turkish 3 uniform Yankee, Budapest Tower, good evening sir, continue approach runway 31 right, wind 310 degrees 5 knots, proceeding traffic on half my final.
After discretion, please.
Other taxi, continue approach 31 right, okay.
Speedbird 225 affirm, it's 7,000 feet and the departure is Litku to Lima.
Roger, Litku Lima, restriction 7,000 feet, Speedbird 225 heavy.
Bravo, Eurowing 7 Foxtrot on Yankee.
Stand by, break, speedway 12, now taxi via Alpha November Bravo to holding point Bravo 2 Triva left. Oh, correction, bird base 12, taxi via Alpha November Bravo to Bravo 2.
Confirm Alpha November Fox to holding point Bravo 2. Bird base 12.
Yankee, well, too fast.
Alpha November Bravo to Bravo 3.
Intercept approach.
Turkish 3 uniform Yankee, please.
November Bravo and holding point Bravo 2.
FMS approach, 3 uniform Yankee.
Turkish 3 uniform Yankee,
With 0542, thank you for the experience
climb and maintain altitude 3,000 feet.
Thanks for flying, bye-bye. Eurowing 7 Foxtrot, welcome to Budapest, taxi stand Romeo 276 via Alpha Lima.
Stand Romeo 276 via Alpha Lima, Eurowing 7 Foxtrot, thank you, bye-bye.
6 Charlie, welcome to Budapest.
Good evening, Lufthansa for Juliet Tango, position 43, information Juliet, requesting clearance to destination Munich.
Lufthansa for Juliet, Budapest Tower, hello, clear destination airport, left to Lima, SID runway 3, left, climb speed 7,000 feet, and stroke is 1,000.
Clear destination, Gillette to Lima, departure, route of runway 31 left, initial climb 70 and walk is 1,000, Lufthansa for Juliet Tango, and Lufthansa for Juliet Tango, fully ready for push and start.
Lufthansa for Juliet Tango, read back correct, and start up and pushback approved, facing exit point hotel 1, short pushback.
Pushback and startup approved, facing exit point hotel 1, and we do a short pushback, Lufthansa for Juliet Tango.
350 degrees 5 knots.
Budapest ground, good evening, Lufthansa 7 Yankee Charlie, request clearance to Frankfurt with information Lima.
KLM 6 Charlie, welcome to Budapest.
Lufthansa 7 Yankee Charlie, Budapest ground, hello, clear destination airport, left to Lima, SID runway 3 left, climb initially 7,000 feet and scope is 1,000.
Second departure and initial climb please for Lufthansa 7 Yankee Charlie.
Lufthansa 7 Yankee Charlie, it's
Budapest 12, Bravo 2.
bird base 12, contact number 1.715, bye-bye.
18715, Budapest 12. Budapest Tower, hello, Budapest 12, holding short Bravo 2.
Charlie is ready for push start.
Lufthansa 7 Yankee Charlie, hold position for now.
Roger, holding position. Big 1 to Hello, Budapest Tower, clear to cross runway 31 left. Yeah, disregard.
I confirm clear to cross, runway 31 left, versus on 2.
CB1, birthday 1-2, hello Budapest Tower, clear to cross 31 left.
Crossing 31 left.
Speedbird 869 at November, holding short, Alpha 2 for runway 31 left.
Speedbird 89er, correction 869 at November, contact tower 118.715. Bye-bye.
Telemetry ünnepeket, contacting tower on 118.715.
Juliet, contact ground 121.9.
This is a 7 Yankee Charlie, stand up, pushback approved, facing exit point, Papa 1.
Thank you, and person started facing exit point Papa 1, Lufthansa 7 Yankee Charlie.
Speedbird 869 in November, holding short Alpha 2 for runway 31 left.
Arrow 880 Golf for runway vacating.
Speedbird 869 in November, are you ready?
Stand by, Brigade, Serbia 14.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Start the pushback facing exit point Papa 1, which is north.
31 left, surface wind is 320 degrees at 2 knots.
Roger, clear takeoff runway 31 left, Speedbird 869.
Peter off 88 Juliet Golf, welcome to Budapest.
2,
taxi to...
contact ground 121.
121
taxi to third place via Alpha and uniform.
Confirm gate 329.
Negative, Peter off 88 Juliet Golf, gate 32 via Alpha and uniform.
Project approach of takeoff 122.980.
Ground hello, base 12.
Base 12, hello again, taxi stand Romeo, correction Golf 152 via Bravo and Golf.
Bravo and Golf to Golf 152, versus on 2.